everyone, welcome back to Banana Thai again with Cruise Mook. Today I'm going to teach you the 5 different country names that are pronounced differently from English. It's because there are some country names in Thai language that are pronounced the same like in English. For example, America. In Thai, America. America. See? Same. Spain. Spain. See? Also same. And last one, Australia. We say Australia. Kind of same, right?
Nope.
While there are some country names that are pronounced differently. Start from the first one. China. China in Thai language is Jeen, like jeans without S. The second country name, Japan. Japan in Thai language is Yippun, kawaii. The third country name, Korea. Korea in Thai language is Gaoli, Korea. Number 4, England. England in Thai language is Angkrit. And the last one, France. France in Thai language is ฝรั่งเศส go down say it ฝรั่งเศส or ประเทศฝรั่งเศส the country of France. So here we already completed 5 country names that are pronounced differently from English. Like my page on Facebook, BananaThai TH. See you later. Bye.